Okay, so today we start harvest, but don't get too excited because I'm only doing some of the AGRII trial plots, about an acre. So there we go, I don't know if you can see that there. So what they've done is they've already cut some out with the trial plot combine, and I'm just going to cut the rest. There we've got a cover crop trial, and there's all sorts going on in this field. So there, over there we've got the other plots there, spring barley, then there's oats, and then there's wheat and chickpeas, which are going to be quite interesting if they want me to combine them. Just like that, about 10 minutes later, the barley harvest is finished.